The question for today's video is, when is it a good time for a company to start thinking about listing? But before we can answer this question, the company needs to make sure that it fulfills the requirements of listing. We have covered this topic in detail in our previous video on eligibility criteria, so do check that out first. Now let's get into it. Let us take a moment to talk about whether you should choose BSE SME or NSE Emerge. Between the two, BSE has listed more than 300 companies and NSE Emerge has listed more than 200 companies. BSE has 60% of the market capitalization share and NSE has 40%. And both of these companies have raised more than 3,000 crores of rupees from the public for the SMEs that are listed on their exchange. So as such, there is no big difference between the two. They are both great platforms to list yourself. So I feel that choice is up to the company based on their eligibility criteria and whom they have a better rapport with. The last question that we are going to talk about is, when should a company think about listing itself? A company should only consider listing if it has a plan for the growth of the company. When you are taking money from the public, you need to, in your offer document itself, mention the objects for which you are going to use the funds. And once you take the money, for every 6 months, you will have to give a report of what you've done with that money and whether there is any deviation from your initial plans. So there is some kind of responsibility that comes on you when you take funds from the public. You have to show certain level of performance in the company. So you have to go ahead with SME listing only when there is a need for you for these funds and you know that you will use it for the growth of the company. And having considered that, the time taken for you to list yourself once you have started the process on an average is around 6 months. If all your documents are proper, then it can even be done in 3 months. But this does not mean that you have to think about SME listing only in the last minute. I feel that a company should start working towards listing 3 to 4 years in advance. I say 3 years because in the offer document, a lot of the information that you will be giving with regard to the financials, whether there have been any irregularities in the company, litigations against the promoters, all of this will be regarding the last 3 years of the company from the date of listing. So 3 years is a good time for you to ensure that you show your company in the best light at the time of listing. And also, there will be a lot of internal processes with regard to disclosures and transparencies that become applicable once you're listed. Company might not have that kind of culture, and to be listed suddenly, there will be a drastic change in the culture of the company, and the company might not be prepared for this change. I feel that once you're listed, you have very little scope for making mistakes. So before you're listed, you need to take some time to put these processes into your normal working of your company so that you have some experience of how all of this works. I would compare it to preparing your speech in front of a large crowd. When you're doing that, you have no scope for making mistakes because a lot of people are looking at you. Similarly, once you're listed, if you're going to try to implement all of these strict processes, then it might not be a good idea for the company. Instead, it should, when it's backstage, for example, if you're preparing for a speech, it's better to do it in your own comfort zone, away from the eyes of the public, so that you can properly prepare yourself. And lastly, when you are listing yourself, you need to ensure that your entire team is on board. So you should give some time for your employees as well to get accustomed to these changes, and it's a good idea to start working on it 3 to 4 years in advance. As always, the notes to this video will be in the description box down below. In our next week's video, we will be covering a very important question. That is, why should a company even bother itself with SME listing? What can a company gain by publicly listing itself? So stay tuned for the next video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the notification when I upload it. And of course, like and share this video. It always means a lot when you do.